Luxury jewelry is more than an accessory. It is a way to tell your story, express your personality, and create unforgettable moments. The right piece can elevate an everyday outfit or transform an evening look into something spectacular. In 2025, the art of styling luxury jewelry for both day and night is all about versatility. Pieces that work beautifully in the office can also shine at dinner or on the dance floor. For anyone searching for jewelry near me, visiting local jewelry stores in Arcadia, or looking for expert guidance, this guide shows you how to style your collection from sunrise through sunset. Why jewelry matters every day. Jewelry is the finishing touch that gives character to your look. Pearl studs soften a crisp blazer, while a diamond bracelet makes a casual dress feel elegant. More than just decoration, luxury jewelry creates confidence and sets the tone for the entire day. The best designs are versatile. A pair of earrings or a delicate necklace can easily transition from morning errands to evening events. This is why shopping in person at jewelry stores in Arcadia is so important. You can see how pieces look in natural daylight, compare them under showroom lighting, and feel their weight in your hand. That kind of experience cannot be replicated online. Styling jewelry for daytime. Daytime jewelry is meant to be polished, practical, and easy to wear. Diamond studs and hoops. Diamond studs or small hoops bring elegance without being overwhelming. They are perfect for the office, a lunch meeting, or running errands. When exploring jewelry in Arcadia, these classic pieces are always worth considering. Layered necklaces, delicate chains with pendants layered together create texture and interest. Shopping at jewelry stores in Arcadia allows you to try different chain lengths and find the balance that feels effortless. Bracelets and watches. A slim bracelet paired with a watch is both functional and stylish. When you visit the nearest jewelry boutique, you can check comfort and craftsmanship in person instead of guessing from photos. Styling jewelry for evening. Evening jewelry is about standing out. Under soft light, gemstones glow and statement pieces become the highlight of your look. Statement earrings. Chandelier earrings or long diamond drops frame your face and add glamour instantly. If you are browsing jewelry near me, be sure to test how these pieces sparkle in person. Bold necklaces, a diamond choker, or layered gemstone strands create a dramatic effect. When visiting jewelry stores, you can try these pieces against your evening attire to see which designs elevate your look the most. Cocktail rings. A large emerald, ruby, or sapphire ring is an evening essential. And if your favorite ring ever needs resizing or polishing, professionals who specialize in Arcadia jewelry repair will ensure it looks flawless. Mixing day and night jewelry. Some jewelry is versatile enough to move seamlessly from day to night. For example, studs that pair with a bold necklace after work. Stackable rings that can be dressed up with a cocktail ring. A delicate chain that looks casual by day and glamorous with a pendant at night. Visiting jewelry stores in Arcadia gives you the chance to experiment with these combinations. By seeing how pieces layer together in person, you can create styles that work around the clock. Why shopping in person beats online. Luxury jewelry should never be purchased blindly. While online shopping is convenient, visiting jewelry stores in Arcadia has clear advantages. Better prices. In-store shopping allows you to negotiate, something you cannot do with a website. True brilliance. Photos cannot capture the way a gemstone shifts in the light. Seeing jewelry in Arcadia in person ensures you choose pieces that fit you perfectly. More variety. Local boutiques often carry exclusive collections not available online. Trusted care. Buying locally builds a relationship with experts who can provide jewelry repair around me, and professional care from an Arcadia jewelry repair shop whenever your pieces need attention. This is why people searching for jewelry near me often choose in-person shopping. The experience, guidance, and aftercare make the investment far more valuable. Caring for luxury jewelry. High-quality jewelry is an investment, and proper care protects its brilliance. Over time, rings may need resizing, stones may loosen, or chains may require repair. That is why finding reliable Arcadia jewelry repair services is so important. Professional jewelers offer cleaning and polishing to restore shine, tightening or resetting gemstones, ring resizing and adjustments, clasp and bracelet repairs. Having access to a trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop means peace of mind that your treasures will remain beautiful for years to come. Building a collection that lasts. A complete collection combines essentials with bold pieces. Consider starting with diamond or pearl studs for everyday wear, a versatile pendant necklace, a bracelet or cuff for day-to-night style, a statement cocktail ring for evenings. By exploring jewelry stores in Arcadia, you can compare these designs side by side and discover what best matches your lifestyle. Building a relationship with local experts also connects you to services for jewelry repair around me, ensuring your collection remains pristine. Final thoughts. Styling luxury jewelry for day and night is about balance and flexibility. Refined studs, layered chains, and slim bracelets create polish for daytime, while bold earrings, cocktail rings, and statement necklaces add drama at night. Searching for jewelry near me or visiting jewelry stores in Arcadia gives you the chance to see these pieces in person and choose the designs that reflect your personal style. With expert Arcadia jewelry repair and trusted care from a professional Arcadia jewelry repair shop, your jewelry will remain as timeless as your memories. Discover Dorano Jewelry in Arcadia. At Dorano Jewelry, we curate collections that embody elegance, artistry, and versatility. From classic diamond studs to striking gemstone statement pieces, our jewelry is crafted to elevate every occasion. We also provide expert Arcadia jewelry repair, including resizing, polishing, and restoration, to keep your treasures flawless. If you are exploring jewelry in Arcadia, browsing jewelry stores in Arcadia, or searching for trusted jewelry repair around me, Dorano Jewelry is your premier destination. Visit our showroom to enjoy personalized service, explore breathtaking designs, and discover why we are the nearest jewelry choice for discerning clients.